Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to deactivate ad account on Meta Business Suite. If you're having issues with your Meta Business Suite or in general you don't want it any longer, so instead of deleting it, you can deactivate it. So in future, if you want to get it back or you change your mind, you still have the option to be back on your ad account. So I'll show you how easily you can deactivate it. So first, you just have to simply log into your Meta Business Suite, and once you're there you can see we have a lot of options there. On the left side we have this settings options. You have to simply click onto it, and then it will just take a while. It will take you to this page. Now what you have to do is that you have to simply click onto your ad account, and after that you will see this option up there, which is deactivate. As you click onto this option deactivate, it asks you that are you sure you want to delete it, because it gives you all this information that what you will lose. So if you're okay with that, you can just simply deactivate it, and later on whenever you want to get back, you can just simply join it once again, and after that it will be deactivated. It may not show initially, but once you do a refresh it says that it is deactivated. Also, if you're doing any sort of campaigns, promotion, or you just simply checking your performance, everything will be paused. But as you rejoin it, you just have to simply do some managing stuff, and after that it will again start it. One thing you have to make sure that it may affect your ongoing campaigns or ads as you are deactivating it. So you just have to simply keep that in mind. Otherwise, if you're okay with everything, then just simply go with it. So that's how you can deactivate your ad account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.